Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your image and immediately converting it to a smart object so edits remain reversible. Make simple global fixes first. Adjust exposure and white balance to set a neutral starting point, because proper base tones simplify every later step. Once done, duplicate the background layer and name it for the edit you'll perform, which keeps your workflow organized. Make sure to enable snap and use guides if cropping. These small controls speed up precise framing. You now refine tonal balance and local details. Apply curves to shape contrast, because controlling midtones first preserves skin and texture. Next, add a 50% gray layer set to overlay and dodge or burn with a soft brush at 5 to 15% opacity to sculpt light naturally. Then clean imperfections using spot healing or clone on a separate layer. Sample from close areas so texture matches. Make sure to toggle the edited layer on and off to check progress and avoid overworking. You finish by applying a gentle color grade. Use color lookup or selective color and keep shifts under about 15% so skin tones stay natural. Once satisfied, create a merged copy, apply high pass at 1 to 2 px, and set overlay or soft light to sharpen, because targeted sharpening preserves details. Export with save for web or export as and retain your layered PSD. If colors look off, toggle your color profile or disable the lookup layer. That troubleshooting step usually reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.